everyone, we will start off by taking the top section of the hair, tie a rubber band to it, roll the section of the hair in on itself. Now take 2 more sections from either side on one of the sides and then tie it up in the side. Repeat this step and then roll the section of the hair in on itself. Once you reach the base, make a braid out of it. Make a normal braid out of it and then tie a rubber band at the bottom. Take the top section of the hair and then divide it into 3 parts. Make a braid out of it as such. Now continue on, and as you progress with this braid, include more and more sections of the hair into it as such. Now as you progress with this, add a rubber band at the base of it and then roll it over. Roll it over and make it into a bun. Add a decorative rubber band. Take the front portion of the hair and then make a section out of it. Roll the section in on itself at the top. Make a braid out of it and roll this braid in on itself as well. Make 2 sections on the side. At the back, tie a braid and roll it up. Add a decorative rubber band. Tie a ponytail at the back and then taking the front portion of the hair, make 3 sections out of it and make 3 ponytails out of it accordingly. Taking the middle section, split it and then join it to the other 2 sides and join it into one finally. Make a braid at the back and then roll it over into a bun as such. Add a decorative clip around it. Take a section from the front and then make a braid out of it. Right underneath it, make another section, make 2 parts out of this, wrap it around the braid as such. Now roll the section of the hair in on itself and then at the bottom, tighten it. Now add a decorative rubber band around it and tie a ponytail at the base. Next, we will start off by taking the front portion of the hair and then begin to braid the hair. After this, begin to include more and more sections of the hair into it as such. Tie a rubber band at the base. Now behind it, add another ponytail and then do the same until you reach the bottom and make multiple sections. Make a braid and then roll it up, add multiple rubber bands. Next, start off by tying 2 ponytails to the hair, then divide the top portion of the ponytail into one part and then braid it. Underneath it, add another rubber band to it, roll the hair in on itself as such, and then pull the braid through it. Now, join them together, lift it up, make a bow, and then tie a rubber band to it. Make 2 braids at the bottom and lift it up. Take a section from the front and then tie a rubber band to it, roll the hair in on itself, and afterwards begin to braid the hair. As you progress with this braid, include more and more sections of the hair into this braid. Do this until you reach the back portion of this. Now once you are done with this, tie a rubber band to it, add multiple rubber bands to make it decorative. Next, we will start off by making multiple sections at the bottom and then join it to the top. Then, tie a ponytail at the top, divide it into 2 parts, twist one over the other section as such. Roll it up into a bun and then add a disco rubber band around it. Taking the excess portion of the hair, make a small braid out of it. Take the front portion of the hair, tie a rubber band to it, roll the section of the hair in on itself. Do this on either side and then tie a ribbon from the back through the top as such. Twist it over and then insert it into place. Tie the excess up with the ponytail at the back. Now begin to braid the hair at the back as such, using the braid as one of the sections. Take the front portion of the hair and then tie a rubber band to it. Make 2 more sections out of it on one of the sides only. Now at the back, begin to braid the hair and then include more and more sections of the hair into this braid as you progress with it. Now at the back, make another braid out of it. Next, we will start off by braiding the top section of the hair, fold it over and then tie it up into a ponytail on the side with 2 sections. At the back, create another braid and then make a small braid at the bottom as well. Next, we will start off by taking a section from the front, tie a ponytail to it, roll the hair in on itself as such. Now tie a decorative rubber band to it. Underneath it, make another section, continue this. Thank you for watching.